Hi, honey. We escaped the heat today in Beaverton. We escaped the heat in Beaverton, love. So, it's very nice here today. So just hanging out here for a while, watching the waves, and that's our that's the view of the coast of the beach, Cannon Beach, beach houses, hotels, inns, and everything that you can rent to stay. And here's my baby, my birthday adventure today with my one and only love. We're escaping the heat in Beaverton right now. So, what do you say about this? Huh? You escaping the heat? Huh?